Hey there, Maximum members. I just wanted to invite you to be part of our APPR thought exchange. We're going to try doing this via a whiteboard in Canva. So I just want to go over a couple of things with you. So first of all is navigating through the document. It works best if you have an external mouse. And over here on the side I included how to navigate through it. So you'll want to do a lot of zooming in, zooming out, and panning. So the way to do that, as you can see, I was just able to zoom in. I did that by holding the Control key down on the keyboard and using the mouse wheel. If I wanted to move it around using that same center wheel or center button, I can click the button and drag the screen around. Okay, just like anything else, for selecting something, we would select using the left mouse button, and edit, we would use the right mouse button. Let me use my wheel to zoom out so we can see the whole things. So the way this is going to work is with sticky notes. Okay, so to create a sticky note, you can either come over here to Tools and choose the sticky notes, or you just simply select S, and we'd like to kind of color code our topics. All right, so if you want to go to, say, teacher support, okay, it works best if you kind of zoom in. Yes, you can see the different items there. I'm just going to type S on my keyboard and you'll see it pops up. It's always going to pop up basically in the middle of your screen, so if you're zoomed way out, it'll put it and you won't think that it's there. Yes, they are pretty small. If I zoom in, you can see that it puts my name. If you want your name removed from it, you right click and just choose remove name, and then add your items. So the first topic is teacher support. So type in the type of support you have. I already have a couple of them in there. If you're not familiar with the different items that are included in the new APPR, we have a guidance document over here. There are two of them. So when you click on them, the link will pop up and they will open up in a new window. So everything you need to know about developing your APPR plan, plus the document from New York State. These can also be found in our Teams folder under APPR. So those will be helpful reading before you make comments. So there's all sorts of different things in here. I put teacher support, multiple measures, teaching standards, and cycles. Those are probably the main things that we're going to have to hit on. And then I threw a whiteboard for other thoughts in over here. So let me just show you how to change colors. I'm going to zoom into the multiple measures. Okay. Then I can come to my tools and select my sticky note and change the color, or I can type S, and then up at the top I can choose my color, and then my green. Drag your sticky note wherever you want it. You can line it up. You can, angle it a little. Depends on how much you want to mess with people's OCD. And I will type in here text. So there we go. For one of our multiple measures, we can have large evidence binders, for those of you who remember the days of the evidence binders. I do not want that, so I'm deleting it. Okay. So hopefully we can get everyone's thoughts on this, and we can come up with an APPR plan for the near future. Any questions, contact a rep or officer, and I thank you for your time filling this out.